Well, I figured out it was time to clean up the pump because there's a little bit of solids on the bottom, but there's also a fine layer of dirt and sand, and this is quite hard to get out of your system once it's there. I figure out the ideal thing to do is actually do nothing. Let it sit there because this particularly this sand can damage the pump's impeller. This here is a old one. It worked for, let's say, 8 months. We can see where the sand ate away the uh, magnetics, and also did some damage on the axis. Let's see, it's thinner than what it should actually be. Ah, damn, they are strong magnets. So to prevent this kind of corrosion, what I did is I actually added another elbow here on the end, so on the pump that goes there. It's kinda this here. It's kind of like this. So none of these PVC pipe actually touches the bottom of the tank. So there's no way to that those fine particles of sand be sucking and pass through the pump, damaging the impeller, and then circling back, or even if they're retained on the filter, there's always a little amount getting into the system because of wind and other factors. So it's not a good idea for your pump to be sucking those kind of particles, that fine particle sand, because it will eat away, it will damage your impeller. And unfortunately, I cannot test to see if this impeller, if this damaged one causes the pump to lose pressure, lose column height, lose power, let's say. But I strongly suspect that it will actually cause that. It will actually reduce the output of the pump. So there it is, an afterthought about a way to expand the life of your pump and your pump's impeller.